pre-installation is completed, we're ready for the in-home installation. A typical installation will take 1 to 2 hours. During this phase, we will bring the network fiber from the street to your home so that we can connect you to high-speed fiber internet. To start, a vehicle will arrive clearly identified as BAM Broadband, and our technician can also be identified by their BAM branded shirt and identification badge. The technician will discuss with you the options for equipment placement in your home. In most cases, the location of your equipment will depend on where the fiber enters your home. We do want to understand all your concerns in order to choose the best possible option. Once you and the technician decide on the location of the equipment, the technician will determine the route that the fiber needs to take from outside of the home to this inside location. We will then extend the existing fiber cable or service drop from the boxes that are in the ground near the street, called handholds. We will lay a temporary cable on top of the ground to the side of your home using the most efficient path possible. We will consult with you on the placement of this cable to ensure it is placed in an area that is safe and minimally invasive. We will return after the in-home installation to permanently bury the cable. In some instances, if the path of a temporary cable needs to cross a physical barrier such as a sidewalk or driveway, the installation would be delayed while our third-party drop bury company calls and locates for underground utilities on your property. Once the locates are clear, they will permanently bury the fiber cable and notify the installation team to reschedule the installation with you. If this method is used, there will be no need to return after the installation to permanently bury the cable. As part of the installation process, our technician will install a network interface device, or NID, outside of the house. Our NIDs are waterproof, professionally mounted and installed on the side of the house. This service box is fully weatherized and protected to ensure service reliability and stability. Next, the technician will bring the optical network terminal, or ONT for short, to be installed inside your home. In some cases, the ONT will be the only piece of equipment we will install. In other cases, we may need to install 2 devices, an ONT and a router, depending on your needs. Once the installation of your new fiber connection is completed, our BAM technician will perform a series of tests to verify your service is working correctly. They will also show you how to connect your wireless devices and walk you through our smart home Wi-Fi app. Once the installation is completed, our technician will clean up and ensure you are satisfied with the installation. The technician will also provide information on how to contact us in case you need any help. BAM's support team is local, and technical support is available 24/7 to answer any questions you may have. We may also ask you to go to Google Reviews to share feedback on your installation experience. We are always interested in learning how we're doing and how we might improve. Now you are ready to enjoy BAM's high-speed fiber internet service. With identical upload and download speeds, you never have to worry about bandwidth limitations or restrictions of any kind. No buffering, no lagging, and no throttling. Just reliable, high-quality service that's there when you need it. Thank you for your support in making a next-generation, high-speed, affordable internet connection a reality for everyone in your neighborhood. Once you've had a chance to enjoy your high-speed internet from BAM, tell your neighbors. Go to bambroadband.com/refer a neighbor. If they get internet service installed, each of you will earn rewards. There is no limit to the number of people you can refer. Thank you for being a BAM Broadband customer.